Hello, everyone. Big news from Google. NotebookLM is officially becoming Gemini Notebook. And this isn't just a name change. It's one of Google's biggest AI updates, bringing powerful new capabilities into a single intelligent workspace. So what exactly has changed? Let's explore it together. Gemini Notebook is now fully integrated into the Gemini ecosystem. Instead of using AI as a simple chatbot, you now have one intelligent workspace that understands your documents, connects ideas across multiple sources, and helps you think through complex information. But that's only part of the story. Let's look at the exciting new features. Gemini Notebook introduces several powerful capabilities. It can generate interactive audio discussions, create mind maps and visual summaries, analyze data using Python, synchronize with Google Drive, and even produce presentations, reports, and other ready-to-use resources. These features are impressive, but why should educators care? Imagine uploading your curriculum, lesson plans, research articles, and classroom resources into one notebook. Within minutes, Gemini Notebook can help you create lesson plans, quizzes, differentiated activities, study guides, and presentations, all grounded in your own trusted sources. This isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter. We are entering a new era where AI doesn't simply answer questions, it becomes a true research partner. Instead of starting with a blank page, you begin with an intelligent workspace that organizes knowledge, discovers connections, and helps turn ideas into meaningful work. And this is only the beginning. There's so much more to explore. This was just a quick announcement to introduce one of Google's biggest AI updates. In my next video, I will take you inside Gemini Notebook and demonstrate every feature step by step with practical examples for educators. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.